Welcome to today.
For those who are tuning in the first time, welcome back to Quick Tips Tuesdays, where I'll share everything real estate related under 2 minutes every Tuesday. As you can see that I'm in casual clothes. I have my son here. We've been doing potty training, so I've been at home for the last 2 days. It's been a crazy last few weeks too, with just the listings, showings, and family stuff, and a lot of things going on in my life, taking up a lot of time, and I did not have time to film Quick Tip Tuesdays over the weekend, which I usually do. Almost decided not to film today, but you know what? I have to deliver for you guys every Tuesday. I promise you that I will have a video out. Going to continue our series of choosing the right realtor for you. We're going to, with the second part today, is does brokerage matter? So we're gonna hit the clock. Let's go. Okay, so does brokerage matter? My answer, and again, this is my opinion only. Every other agent, you know, every client, they have their own opinions about things. This is just my own opinion. It's yes and no. I would say that personal brand and the connection that you make with the realtor is almost more important than, you know, the actual brokerage itself. Yeah, you go in with the big brokerage, you know, it does matter compared to like if you're going to not a no-name brokerage, but a smaller brokerage that has less presence around your local market or internationally. It's very simple. I would choose a couple of realtors from big brokerage for interview, and also choose a couple from a smaller brokerage. And when I say smaller brokerage, meaning they're local dominant but they don't have international presence, and also interview one from a boutique brokerage, because I feel like there are some great agents at smaller brokerage and boutique brokerage that are top producer and they have great personal brand, you know, that I think that they will do a very, very good job on listing a property. So final thing is, I would definitely consider a brokerage that is respected, because that is actually, it does matter when who lists your property. So going a brokerage that is much respected in the industry, it does make a huge difference. So anyways, that is my tip there. I can go very long in this topic because there's a lot of details I would want to cover, but if you guys have any questions or if you want to want me to go more detail on, feel free to message me, feel free to shoot me a text, DM. I'd love to go over that with you. Stay tuned for next week. I'm gonna dive into a little deeper on personal branding, how important it is actually going with an agent that has a personal brand and presence that is everywhere. And when I say personal brand, meaning that in this day and age, how would they market themselves and market your property as well. So thank you so much for watching. And again, pardon me with how I'm dressed. I'm usually with a suit and also with my kid, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Give it a like, give it a share. And again, my name is Vincent Lim. I'm with Van City Experts Real Estate Group, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.
To the expert. Bye.